Okay, we're having a good time today. We're camping and we're going to make some Dutch oven macaroni and cheese from scratch. And Jenny whipped it all up so it's in the Dutch oven here, all ready to go. But we're going to use a liner today. So this is my 12-inch Dutch oven. But it has milk, cottage cheese, nutmeg, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, mustard, grated cheese and stuff. So we're going to cook this around 375 degrees. So I got 10 coals on the bottom, we'll put 18 on top. We're going to cook it for like 30 minutes. And at that point we'll stir it and then it'll cook for another 20 or 30. So I got 10 coals there. So let's just load a bunch on here. I'll count and make sure we're good. And then we're going to cook some bacon in this little 8-inch Dutch oven. I just cut it up to kind of put on top of the mac and cheese, which will be cool. It'll go with the beer good too that we're drinking. So here we go. We'll just put that on there, and I'll just put a few coals there. That looks pretty good. And then, so we'll see you back in 30. Stir the bacon. That's pretty cool. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, so let's check it out. We'll give this a stir. Them briquettes are burning down. Holy smoke. I can smell that good.
Oh man.
So we're just gonna stir this up a little bit. I think it's doing good. Like that. And then I'm going to get the noodle off the spoon. There we go. Okay, a little more cheese and a tablespoon of butter. Like that. Let's make sure it's all good. Off the liner. Okay. Then we're going to cook this for another 20 or 30 minutes. And then at that point, we'll take all the heat off and let it rest. But let's look at this bacon. It's been cooking the same amount. Holy, look at that masterpiece.
Looks yummy.
Whoa, that's probably about ready. Or maybe we'll just let it go. It looks pretty good. It smells delicious. Yeah. We've got some corn going right there on the charcoal grill. We're gonna barbecue up some hot dogs. Living like a king. Good times in the outdoors. All right, here we go. It's been 20 minutes. I think we're ready to, there's the lid lifter, right there. Let's look at the mac and cheese. Oh, that looks
yum.
pretty good. So we're gonna take the coals off. Gotta be careful so you don't get ash in your mac and cheese. We're gonna pull it off the heat and let it rest for 15 minutes. This is the hot part right there. Okay. And then we better check the bacon too, huh, Rick?
Yep.
All right, let's check.
Looking good. Looking good, Chef.
Oh, that's like
Nice and crispy.
good bacon crisp. So there we go. So that's gonna rest for 15 minutes. I pulled the bacon off the bottom heat. It still has briquettes, and then we're gonna go. The corn's doing good. But we'll just do a pile of hot dogs. So 15 minutes. 8 wieners. Cool. I'll see you back. All right, we're ready to get this meal going. What am I looking for, Rick? Oh, this. I was testing you,
There you go.
brother.
I'm just here for the show.
What
For the
are you
food.
trying
I'm
to
here
find?
For the food.
I was looking for the lid lifter. Look at this mac and
Ooh,
cheese.
yummy.
Oh, look at that. So we'll do that.
That's a lot.
For you?
For you.
Oh. Okay, let's put the lid back on that. And then here's the bacon. Look at those bacon bits. That's pretty dang cool. So let that rest for 10 or 15 minutes. Yeah. Pretty dang good. So here we go. Let's go over here. It's like pork festival, so we're having hot dogs too. Look at that one right there. I forgot my tongs. So I'll just go like that. Look, one ended up on the ground, Jenny. But here we go. But let's try this out. That wiener looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Make sure the noodles are done. Yep. That's pretty good. So here we go. Good times in the outdoors. Hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.